Hi, today we are going to introduce a brand new wireless screen mirroring solution, EZCast 2H. Just plug EZCast 2H to TV's HDMI port and power up. Scan the barcode on TV screen with your Huawei smartphone to start screen mirroring. You can also screencast in desktop mode and control the TV screen with your mobile screen as a touchpad. Download EZCast application to explore more useful functions. You can view photos as a slideshow. Use the camera function to view products from different angles. EZCast 2H works well as a Miracast receiver for your TV. Moreover, EZCast dongles are compatible with Google Home. Download Google Home. Choose Mirror Device. Click Cast Screen or Audio and start to cast your mobile phone screen to TV. Open your EZCast application. Find and connect to your dongle by clicking the top right icon. Access Settings and click Upgrade. Please pay attention to the power. The upgrade process will fail if power is disconnected. Change your EZCast home menu into a dynamic wallpaper. Click Settings icon and find the wallpaper feature and turn it on. If you like this video, please drop us a like and subscribe for more technology news.